Hello, it's Haley. Hope you're enjoying your lovely weekend. And if you happen to be in like the Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas area, you need to know that there's a severe weather probability today. It might spoil your weekend or make your weekend awesome. More awesomer, depending on what type of person you are. Right, but first, earthquakes. Because there's always an earthquake or something. Northern California with the 1.0 is the most recent. And let's look at the whole map. The 5.0 and above, pretty much the Ring of Fire. Not totally surprising with the Ring of Fire. It's always on fire or something. High temperatures today are quite low up there, but hey, it's sort of nice for winter down there. Low temperatures tonight, quite cold, all up in the blues. Yes. Active weather things. This is apparently a flood. Okay, I've already forgotten. Flash flood watch. Yes, right next to the same exact shade for a flood warning. So you might be needing to watch out for flash flood, or there might be something flooded. I have no idea because it's basically like the same exact color. High wind, I think. Winter things. Hydrologic outlook, I looked that up. That weird shade, it's for probably flooding as well. And I've already forgotten down here, flood advisory, that's what there was. That's kind of pretty today with that purpley thing, the winter weather advisory right next to flood advisory. That should happen more often, because I kind of like the combination, Right, because it's all about making the map as pretty as possible. Some map over here I don't understand. Cold front coming, bullying through the country. And here's your severe thunderstorms are possible. And if I was smarter, I might be able to say that the cold front is bringing about the severe weather, but I don't know that. Snow, and heavy snow possible, and then snow all up in Canada or something. So, today's severe weather probability map. Here's your slight risk area. Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and not really Louisiana, or maybe Louisiana. 15% chance of severe wind in this area. 15% chance of severe hail. That's 1 inch or larger. Righto. And then 5% chance of a tornado in the Texarkana area. Is it Texarkana? I have no idea, because it is Arkansas, right? So it should be Texarkana. No, I looked that up one of these years. There's actually a mesoscale discussion, at least as of when I looked at the page, where threat for severe storms to begin increasing after 20 Zulu, and especially after 00 Zulu. Weather watch issuance possible. That's what PSBL is. Right, so let me remember, we're now off of daylight savings time. So for the central time zone, that would be 20 minus 6, which would make it 14, which is 2 p.m. Okay, so 2 p.m. is to begin increasing after 2 p.m. Let's see, 00, so that'd be 24 minus 6, 18, that'd be 6 o'clock. So, apparently it starts after 2 p.m., which would be right about now, apparently 2:30, I have no idea. And then really, especially after 6 p.m. But, hopefully you've got, the radio or something going. And look, France! 17 Zulu, frontal position. That would be 7, that'd be 11. I have no idea. So what did that even say? 17 minus 6. 11 Zulu. 11 p.m. a.m. I have no idea. I'm completely... CST. 11 a.m. CST. This is why we all need to switch to Zulu, so that my head is not done in every time I try to discuss the stupid things. Let's make sure that I'm actually on the right day. This is tomorrow, where we've got, again, same general area, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and maybe a smidge of Louisiana. And here, with a 5% chance, quite a few more states are in the area. So that's tomorrow, it's Monday. And then, I don't always show this, but when it's the middle of winter, it's not actually technically winter yet, and there's a 30% chance, you darn right I'm going to show it. So, slight risk on Tuesday, is that day 3 hive, Obviously, I'm not very good with calendars, time, math, etc., etc. If it's got numbers, I completely can't do it. So 30%, is that what that number 30? I have no it is. It's a suck at math, right? 30%, it's greater than 15 and greater than 5, I think. Anyway, so day 3, Tuesday, here are your probabilities. So the greatest is there, the lesser greatest and the least greatest, also known as 5%. Or something. We have a newbie, 13E. 13E. So is 13E going to become a hurricane? Let's find out. Well, we don't know that for certain, but the models say yes. We will have a new one, and if I had kept up on the naming, I would be able to tell you, as of 4 a.m. Wednesday, apparently we're going to have Hurricane What's-a-Madougal. Yeah, I'm pretty sure What's-a-Madougal is one of the Eastern Pacific names this season, or not. In the Atlantic, 50% chance. There's been little change in the organization. Let's look at the satellite. Ooh, big wispy cloud, huge cloud thing, misty. That was helpful. So where did the scientific model say 13E is going? Not to the Atlantic, apparently. Hey, we've got some new additions. Maybe the 50% chance. Nope. Okay, there you go. There's your 50% chance. Apparently, if it does develop into some type of tropical storm, it's gonna dance all over the place, but not to the United States. Right, so severe weather, you should totally go check it out and see if there's a weather watch yet or something that Wicked Wicks. WICKEDWX.com. And of course, if you are in the affected areas, get your weather radio out, make sure it's on. Or maybe not on, but it's set to come on and alert you, because, right, the internet sucks. If the internet goes down, you know, all of it. The weather radio network theoretically would still be up. I have no idea. Maybe not, though. Anyway, enjoy your weekend.